Tanzania's finest and superstar, the one and only Zuchu, signed to WCB Wasafi, has just released her new single, Amanda, on the 31st of July 2025. However, the buzz around the track has spiraled into quite the drama, especially wapi? In Kenya. Before the song dropped, a viral video showed Zuchu confronting Diamond Platnumz over mysterious late-night calls from someone named Amanda. This sparked speculation that Amanda was a real person embroiled in their private lives. Just a day later, Zuchu dropped the track, and fans soon learned that Amanda was purely artistic and not a real person. Many Kenyan fans accused her of staging the drama as a promotional tactic. As reported by K24 Digital, Zuchu hits back after the fans say she used clout to promote the new song. Fans accused her of using a fake scandal to promote her new song, Amanda. Now, Zuchu has responded on Instagram saying that artists don't need to explain the process. The feeling is the explanation. Coming to the Kenyan reactions. My God, online commenters didn't hold back. Some of the harshest reaction include, listen to this, mnitumie hii song ni delete. Hold on. Another one said, the song is sweet at volume 0. Hold on a minute. One said, hii wimbo kisikizo ukiwa mgonjwa, unakufa. Who said that? Who said that? Another one said, toa jina Kenya kwa wimbo zako za takataka. This reflects a broader sentiment captured on Kenyan forums where users frequently slam mainstream music. As Kenyan music has fallen so far, it's all basically trash, constant talking of alcohol, sex, and sherehe. Others saying, we often say they sing rubbish, we try to pull them down. Meanwhile, her Tanzanian fan base and East African followers seem to take the release in stride, while direct reactions to Amanda haven't been spotlighted in Tanzanian media yet. Her prior popularity songs like Sukari and Nyumba Ndogo topping YouTube views in the region suggests she retains strong support. What do you think about Zuchu's approach? Was the Amanda storyline a clever promo or a misleading stunt? Do you like the song, especially at volume 0? Drop your take in the comments below. Let's hear what you have to say about it.